Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Youper AI account. To delete your Youper AI account permanently, first of all, open up your Youper AI application on your mobile device and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the home page of Youper, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right and click on My Account. And then click on Request My Data if you want to request your data before deleting your account. After you've done that, you can go ahead and scroll all the way down from the page and tap on Delete My Account. In the pop-up, click on Delete, and the process will be irreversible. After you delete the account, all of your data from the databases will also be deleted. Once tapping on Delete, you will be asked to sign in again. Tap the Sign In button and continue signing into the account first. Follow through the sign-in process, and this will help you request your deletion. And that's how you easily delete your Youper account. Deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. If you ever decide to come back, you will need to start fresh with a new account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.